What's up, my bomb ass subscriber squad? What's happening, guys? Welcome. I am TonyaNicole, and today, guys, I am bringing you all a little bonus video. We're going to be unbagging the Diva bag by Sonya. This is my last one, guys. I know I just got my first one last month, but this is the last one, and I wanted to at least unbox it and show you guys what was up for the month of August. So if you want to see what's in Sonya's Diva bag, stay tuned. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. What's up, guys? I'm TonyaNicole, as I said in the intro, and today I'm just gonna do a really quick unboxing of the Diva bag by Sonya. Like I said in the intro, guys, this is my last one, and I just wanted to show you all what was inside of it. Before we do that, I wanna let you guys know that I will not be doing shout outs today because this is a bonus video, okay? This is a $12 per month beauty subscription. You're supposed to get 4 to 5 beauty products in this bag with a bonus gift in here as well. They do have a profile to fill out, guys, where you can customize some of your items or tell them your preferences. So yeah, 12 bucks a month is not bad. So without further ado, let's get this bag on and popping, boo. I already opened it, guys. I cut it open already. I'm just gonna pull all of the contents out of the bag. We do get a card in here. That's what the front of the card looks like. And it says, Happy August. If you can go anywhere in the world, where would you go? Y'all tell me, where would y'all go down below? I don't really know where I would want to go. It's a few places, but anywho, let me know in the comments. Many of us missed travel plans this year because of this stupid pandemic. Allow me to help you travel the world. Oh, okay, so she's telling me some of the products, so I'm not gonna go through all of that, but let's see what we got. So the first stop around the world, let me see what she's taking us at, boo. She's gonna help us travel around the world with the City Color eyeshadow palette of my choice. I don't remember which one I picked. I think I picked Miami, and I think this may be the palette here, or maybe I picked Hollywood. You can choose from Miami, Hollywood, or Manhattan. I think I chose Hollywood, if I'm not mistaken. Let's see, it's bubble wrapped. And I chose the Hollywood palette. This is the City Color Hollywood Glam palette. Let me peel this plastic off, guys, so I can show you all how we looking. So my first stop would be in Hollywood. Hollywood swinging. That's what the palette looks like outside of the plastic, guys. Let me open this. Ooh, okay, so they do have like a little plastic here. And this is the palette right here. On the top, this is a primer, this shade here, and that's a glitter. And these colors are gorgeous. It says base, crease, lid, and line. I hope you guys are able to get into those beautiful colors. I love this palette. It's gorgeous. They don't have any prices, guys, and I will try my hardest to find prices and link them down below, but if I can't find them, sorry. But this is the City Color Hollywood Glam eyeshadow palette right there. Our next stop would be to add an extra pop of color with the NYX Infinite Shadow Stick. Okay, let's see if I have that. Oh, I see it. So this is the stick right here, guys. I don't have one like this. I don't think I own this. Okay, so this little box, this bag is turning out to be really cute. So when we get it out of the plastic, this is what it looks like right here, guys. And we have the shade, I don't know. Let me just open it and see. Oh, okay. So that's what it looks like right there. I am gonna swatch this on the back of my hand. It is a beautiful brown liner. The shade is chocolate and it's a shadow stick. So this would be perfect to go like right on top of my eye or even to line up the eyelid. Okay, cool. I do like this. Then our next stop would be to give us a look of staying power with the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. Okay, let me see. So this is the Too Faced Shadow Insurance. This is an eyeshadow primer. Okay, nude shimmer in the shade Champagne. That's what it's looking like right there, loves. And let's see, it does not have a safety seal. I'm gonna swatch this on the back of my hand. And this is what it says, an eyeshadow primer, okay? That's what it looks like right there. And let me just kind of spread it out a little bit. I think I put a little too much, but let's see. That's how it spreads out, guys. It's a nice champagne color. Cool, okay. I don't really use eye primers, but I can definitely use this as a shadow or a primer. It doesn't matter. Beautiful color. All right, and then it says, finally, make sure you take care of those overgrown brows, which mine are very overgrown, with the cute, colorful tweezer. Let's see. Where is the tweezer? So instead of the tweezers, I received the Buxom Big T's Plumping Mascara right here. All right, and let me look at this wand and see. Ooh, that's a beautiful wand. Okay, looks like it would be very volumizing. I do like that. Okay, so I did not get the tweezer, but I got a mascara instead, which I do love. So I'm happy to receive this, actually. Cool. Last but not least, we have, after all of that hard work, cool down with this bonus fan available in many different patterns, okay? Wishing you good health, safety, and financial security in these trying times. Have a wonderfully blessed month. And she says, I appreciate your support, Sonya. And this is the fan. Y'all know I love a good fan. Oh, let's see the design. Okay, so this is what it looks like, guys. Okay, let's see. So when we open her up, this is what she looks like. A beautiful red fan with some nice little flowers on it. I absolutely adore this. Y'all know I'm always sweaty, so I do need me a good fan. Oh, I love it. Okay, cool. And last month I had a broken product, which was the Hard Candy, what is this again? Contouring Face Trio in 3 Times a Lady, and she sent me over another one. I haven't used anything from Hard Candy, but I'm just gonna take this off so I can show you guys what it looks like. So this is what that looks like right there. I will not swatch this because I probably will not use it, but it is a pretty trio. I do like that. Okay. I don't know. It's just something about the packaging. I don't know. There's a fingerprint or something there. It looks like it's cracked. I don't know about I don't know about this. All right, y'all. But that was my final product of my final Sonya's Diva bag. Let's do a quick recap, final thoughts, and we're going to be done. From City Color, this Hollywood Glam palette right here. From NYX, the Infinite, Shadow Stick in Chocolate. From Too Faced, this Shadow Insurance in the shade Champagne, which is an eye primer. From Buxom, the Big T's Plumping Mascara. My bonus item, this beautiful fan here, which I absolutely love. And this was just my replacement product from last month. And she put 2 candies in here. So these 5 products right here, my loves. I really enjoy the products for this month. I do like this subscription that it's only 12 bucks, but last month I really wasn't feeling it. This month I think it's okay. I don't think it's a completely bad subscription because if you're a person on a budget that loves subscriptions, this would be the perfect one for you. It's only $12 a month and you get some pretty decent products, some name brand products. So I do like that. I think this is a pretty decent box for 12 bucks a month. So guys, if I had to rate it on a scale of 1 being this box is garbage, 30 damn woods! To 5 being this box is the bomb.com, boo, you know what I'm saying? Based on the fact that it is 12 bucks It is very easy to communicate with this lady. She's very sweet, and I do love the products, especially this little fan. We're gonna give Sonya's Diva bag for the month of August a whopping 3.5 for this month. I really did enjoy the products. Let me know your comments and your thoughts down below in the comment section. Let me know if you feel in this box or not. Don't forget, guys, if you have not subscribed to your girl, what you waiting for? You need to go on and hit that subscribe button, become a part of my bomb ass squad. Also follow me on Instagram and Twitter. I hope you guys enjoyed this bonus video. I will see you in the comments and on my next video. Bye, guys.